Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce logistical costs with DHL easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce logistical costs with DHL, first, assess your shipping needs. Identify the volume and frequency of your shipments. Based on this information, choose the right DHL service that aligns with your requirements. Next, leverage DHL's online shipping tools to get accurate quotes. Enter the shipment details, including dimensions, weight, and destination. Compare the costs of different shipping options available through DHL. Consider consolidating shipments to take advantage of bulk pricing. If possible, use DHL's network of local drop-off points to save on transportation costs. Next, review your packaging methods to minimize weight and size. Use lightweight materials and ensure your packaging is efficient. Register for DHL Business Solutions for access to discounted rates. By establishing an account, you can access promotional offers and loyalty programs. Consider utilizing DHL supply chain solutions for larger project needs. This can help streamline processes and reduce overall costs. Monitor your shipment performance through DHL's tracking system. Evaluate delivery times and costs regularly to identify areas for improvement. Finally, stay informed about the latest DHL promotions and updates. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce logistical costs with DHL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.